This washing machine is too old and not smooth. It needs to be thrown away. Better use new technology washing machine with built-in handsome guy?
I have consciousness. I have to change to return to the owner.
Nope.
Miss, please don't leave me.
This house doesn't have enough space for 2 washing machines, so get out of here!
Help me.
Wow.
Miss, I have turned into a human. From now on, let me take care of the clothes in the house.
You are so handsome that from now on you will be my husband, and the washing machine will take care of the clothes.